This is Dr. Kshipra Wadikar. Subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. Topic is Poisson distribution. X is a variable which is following binomial distribution NPR, where n is the number of attempts, p is probability of getting success. Let z be np so that p is z by n. We take the limit as n tending to infinity and p tending to 0 in such a way that np equal to z remains constant. Then, as limit n tending to infinity, binomial NPR will tend to e to the power minus z, z to the power r by r factorial, where r is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. This is called as Poisson distribution with z and z greater than 0 is called as parameter of this distribution. So, Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution, where n is very large and probability of getting success is tending to 0. Examples where the Poisson distribution is applicable are as below. The number of accidents occurring on a highway in a particular year. Number of printing mistakes per page. These are really very small in number. Mean and variance of Poisson distribution is given as below. Mean is expected x, that is z, and variance of Poisson distribution variable x is sigma square, that is also z, and SD is sigma, that is root z. So mean is z, variance is also z, and standard deviation is root z. Let us discuss one problem. The average number of misprints per page of a book is 1.5. Assuming the distribution of misprints to be Poisson, find the probability of a particular book to be free from misprints and the probability of a particular book containing more than one misprint. The average number of misprints in a book is 1.5. We assume that distribution of misprints follows Poisson distribution. As in this slide, we have noted that mean of a Poisson distribution is given by z. So here z is 1.5. Let us work out for the solution. So probability of r is given by e to the power minus z, z to the power r by r factorial with z as 1.5. Probability of getting no misprints means r is 0, that is e to the power minus 1.5, so that comes out to be 0.223130. Now next we want to find out probability of getting one misprint, probability of getting more than one misprint. That means 0 misprints and 1 misprint are not allowed. So it will be 1 minus probability of 0, probability that r is 0 plus probability that r equal to 1. That comes out to be 0.442175. Next one is that in a Poisson distribution, probability r equal to 1 is 2 times probability r equal to 2. Find probability of r equal to 3. So P of 1 is twice P of 2. Let's write down the formula. P of r as e to the power minus z, z to the power r by r factorial. Substitute r equal to 1, so we will get P of 1. Substitute r equal to 2, we will get P of 2. As P of 1 is twice P of 2, this is given, we will get z. Here z is 1. So P of r equal to 3 is e to the power minus z, z to the power r by r factorial with z equal to 1. That is 0.0613. Thank you.